Hi viewers, today we'll talk about laser treatment. I'm Dr. Vimala Manne. I'm a medical director of Dr. Vimala Skin, Hair and Laser Centers at Gachibowli and Mehdipatnam. So many people ask me this question, are lasers safe? So I would want to talk about lasers because lasers now are the mainstay of treatment in cosmetic dermatology and in trichology. So lasers, what is a laser? Laser is using a light of specific wavelength to target a specific chromatophore. Means a specific wavelength of light will target, suppose for pigmentation, it may target melanin. Then there is a specific laser which has a specific wavelength which targets water as a chromophore. There is a specific wavelength which may target oxyhemoglobin, which is a specific chromophore. So like that, for various skin conditions, there are different lasers wherein a specific wavelength is used to target a specific problem. So there are lasers for removal of unwanted hairs, there are lasers for reducing the tan and for detanning your skin, there are lasers for treating the pigmentation, there are lasers for treating the nevi. So there are so many lasers. So whatever it is in cosmetic dermatology, lasers are used to enhance your beauty, to make yourself more confident and look more presentable if you have any issues with your skin. So these are very safe because the technology is advanced. The most of the lasers will only attack the target which you want to get it removed, and no other side effects will happen. And most of the lasers do not cross beyond the dermis of the skin depending on what we select. So there are no side effects. So the safety is warranted because we as dermatologists also do the lasers, and obviously we will not put ourselves into risk when we are actually treating the patients if the laser lights were not so safe. So this will actually clear your problem because no doctor would want to risk their own life suggesting or doing a treatment for a patient. So keep this in mind, lasers are very safe. Only thing is you have to go to a doctor who is trained in lasers, who has that experience in lasers. So such doctors are actually dermatologists who understand your skin as well as know the laser techniques. So you should always be in efficient hands so that their results are good. If the laser machine is done by an untrained person and the efficacy, leave alone the efficacy, definitely you will have unwanted side effects. So it is basically an experienced and expertise dermatologist who will suggest the exact laser parameters for the problem you have. So go to the right person and get treated. So there are various lasers for various conditions, like Q-switched Nd:YAG laser is there for pigmentary problems and moles and nevi, and for tan removal. Laser hair reduction, for laser hair reduction, various lasers like the diode laser, you have the triple wavelength technology lasers, Nd:YAG laser. These are various lasers which remove unwanted hair, facial hair or body hair. So these are the various lasers which are available. So there's pulse dye laser for vascular problems, vascular nevi and vascular stains on the skin which are reddish in color. So these are various lasers which are available. Depending on the concern or problem you have, we have to go for a appropriate laser treatment. So we at Dr. Vimala Skin, Hair and Laser Center, we have USFDA approved lasers which are excellent for hair removal or hair reduction. We use triple wavelength technology which targets all kinds of facial hair, whether it is thin, whether it is thick, whether it's coarse. So all kinds of facial hair is targeted at the same time because it is a triple wavelength technology which we have. And for detanning, laser toning, for pigmentation treatment, we do Q-switched Nd:YAG laser. We have a USFDA approved machine, Pastel, which gives excellent results. Most of the lasers, you should understand, will not work in a single session. A couple of sessions are required. Usually it's like once in a month or once in 2 months, depending for which concern or which problem you are getting the laser done. So a series of sessions are required. and understanding Indian skin is very important because our skin reacts differently from the Caucasian skin, which are much more fairer. Unfortunately, we Asians and Indians, we have a tendency to pigment. Even if a small hot water drop or an oil drop falls on our skin, it leaves a bad black pigmentation for very long time for most of us. So understanding this is very important because our laser parameters which we select depends on our skin type and the experience of the dermatologist to choose the laser parameters. So be in safe and trusted hands because your skin is very important to you and also to us. So please do visit our clinics if you want to get good laser treatment done. Thank you.